All right, Austin and Jared here, Zenith Roofing. Gonna do an attempt at a repair in Dominguez, 1643 Wee Hunt Place. All right, we're gonna be taking this wind damage shingle out and replacing it. Just want to show the surrounding shingles beforehand. All right. 20-year-old 3-tab. Come on, your way. Got any markings?
A little bit. Some mat transfer.
Here, let me get on your right side so I can show that you ain't lifting much. Granular ring. There's lines all through that joker. Alright, so hold on, don't cover him up. Let me get him. Get out of the sun for a second. You can see they're creasing just obviously from getting to that one and putting it back in. Yeah.
Got that one, that one, that one, that one.
Yeah, obviously too old to be repaired, even being more delicate than the crew would be. in the event of a attempted repair.